गायडलायन सरकार तर इट्स हो धंदो सोंपोवपाचो हो प्रायवेटायजेशन करपाचो कोण तरी IAS ऑफिसर येता डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट म्हणून आनी ते सरकार तो आयज तेजे सांगणे प्रमाणे आयज आमकां गोंयकारांक स्लेव्स करप जाता हे धंदो प्रायवेटायजेशन करता सरकारान गॅजेटूच हाडल्या आमचो धंदो सोंपोवपाक सगळे भाशेचे सेग्रिगेटर गोंयांत येतले आनी धंदे आमचे कबार जातले पायलट रिक्षा रेंट कार टॅक्सी कार सगळे सोंपतले सो तेका लागून आमच्या प्रत्येक जे गांवांनी प्रत्येक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जे पळय आमचे टॅक्सी कार आहात ते आपले टॅक्सी कार वचून आपल्या आमदाराक मेळप चालवा की ही गॅजेट आनी ही पॉलिसी आदी स्क्रॅप करपाची म्हणून सो हेका लागून आनी पणजेचे जे आमचे टॅक्सी कार भाव आसले ते आमदाराक मेळपाक गेल्ले सांगपाक ही गॅजेट ही पॉलिसी आदी स्क्रॅप करात नाल्यार आमी सोंपतले म्हणून
तुमकां मेळपाक गेले
अरे you all were there, no, you all have taken what I was talking to the taxi driver. The most important thing about it, government is trying to find a process basically in way to smoothen and to streamline the full taxi business part of it. The same time, I told these people, see that a basic guarantee. So now their apprehension is what we may not get business. So let the government or let whoever the department explain to them what is the pros and cons of let them, government is going to hear them and the government is basically to reply to their queries. It's very simple.
जे रेंट कॅब रेंट बायक बी आसा दे आर मेकिंग द
तुका दिसना तूं म्हाका सांग तूं प्रेस तुमी सगळे आखे गोंया भोंवता मरे डोंट यू फील सो this is the problem? At least I feel this is the problem. Right, left, center, you see all this rent a bike and rent a car. You go and see on Pato. Now I will take you. 90% of the basically which of the parking bay is been taken by these people. They have got to basically identify and show them the place where they are going to park the bike. What is the department doing? It is the important this thing of the department. It is the failure of the department, basically transport department to this thing. The director basically should take care of this first.
ओके
कोण जन बीन
रिक्वेस्ट करते कारण खूप जण टॅक्सीचो इशू आहा पळय कितली वर्सां तरी चालू जाला तांचो एक नवो येत आसता
टॅक्सीचो इशू म्हणटा ते बसोन सॉर्ट आउट करूंक जाय इशू इट इज नॉट बरोबर आमदार मोदें पडलो आपूण तुका फोर्स दिता हें कर आनी मागीर फाटल्यान जाता जायत्या जाणांनी केलेलें आहा तो तांकां फूल ऑफ तूं फुडें सोड आनी मागीर एक फावटी गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स अ हार्ड स्टँड मागीर आपूण फाटीं जाता. If you are fighting for someone, fight directly and see that it reaches its logical conclusion.
तुम्ही तो रेंट कॅबाचो कॅबिनेट इशू काढलेलो म्हणतात तरी देखून
I have raised this issue and after raising the issue basically they stopped issuing the licenses to the fresh license. But what I had said even last time, I said let us stop this in total rent a bike and rent a car. Now mostly in the coastal belts, you just go and see, you investigate. I have got one taxi. Let us say, I have got one taxi. I have got 15 cars to rent a car. I have got 50 bikes. So what I do, I drive my taxi. I go around. I give one ride. I make, and I come and sit down and drink beer at home in the afternoon time. Because after that I don't work because my other business is running. No. So these people who have got one taxi and who have got two taxis, those are the people who are suffering because of them. My issue is there. So address that issue. That issue should be addressed first. See, today most of the accidents you all have covered. You all are covering. Most of the accidents basically are happening because of rent a bike and rent a car. They go through that app and all find the road. Sometimes there is no road only. Sometimes the Google also basically doesn't give proper direction. And middle only they start taking. Now you just tell me, one a family comes to Goa. You must be seeing them. They go by bike, husband, wife, two children and 3 children. Who stops them? Police. Who benefits?
ॲप एग्रिगेटर आसा पळय तेंचोय तेजेर ओपोज आसा सो वॉट यू लायक टू सी ऑन दॅट ॲप
See, I want people basically to have an open mind. First of all, you need to understand what is this aggregator. That's the reason I'm saying if they give them a fixed guarantee. Baba, if I'm telling you, if I have taken a loan and all this thing, I am worried that I must pay my installments in time. If my installments and all those things have been taken care of, then I have got nothing to worry about now. People are worried because of their installments and all that. Banks, the moment you want 2 installments, you fail, bank comes to lift your car. So I look at it in different thing. But most important thing is what the transport department should look back again to visit their rent a bike, rent a car, go on the bus stop. I have challenged them, go on the bus stop now, right now. 90% of the parking area has been covered by them. They basically, while taking a license, they must identify where they are going to park the thing, not on the road. So government should take care of that. Okay. Thank you so much.